Hello viewers, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. I pray Almighty for the good health and happiness. Now I am Dr. Umesha B, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Gokak, which is affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. So today I am going to give a lecture on terpenoids. So as you all know that, let us know the introduction about natural products. So before going to know the terpenoids, we have to we should know the natural products. So what are natural products? Natural products are chemical compounds or substances produced by living organism or organic compounds obtained from natural sources such as plants as well as animals. So these natural products are isolated from natural sources and purified by various sources like solvents, solvent extraction, fractional distillation, crystallization, recrystallization, sublimation, and so on. So natural products are having extensive applications in the field of food, medicine, flavoring, perfumery, plastic, paints, and so on. So the natural products are from families are terpenes, alkaloids, steroids, carbohydrates, protein, hormones, etc. So we will study the natural products from class of terpenes, alkaloids, and hormones. So these are all the a brief introduction about natural products. So let us know the terpenoids. So what is the definition for the terpenoids? Terpenes are the group of compounds occurring in many essential oils, soap, and tissues of the plant kingdoms. So terpenoids are naturally occurring hydrocarbons of plants, plant origin of the general formula C5H8N. So the terpenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having general formula C5H8N. So terpenoids are also known as isoprenoids, as terpenes containing isoprene unit, that is 2-methyl butadiene. So they are generally represented as C5H8N and classified on the basis of value N. So terpenoids includes, in addition to hydrocarbons, other derivatives such as aldehydes and ketones and so on. For example, citral, alpha pinene, camphor, etc. So there are two types of terpenoids, that is simple and complex terpenoids. Simple terpenoids occur in steam volatile essential oil and obtained from sap and tissues of certain plants and trees. Let us The second type of terpenoids is complex terpenoids. These complex terpenoids are not steam volatile and obtained from gum and resins of plants. So terpenoids are compounds derived from a combination of two or more isoprene units. So this terpene is a 5 carbon unit chemically known as 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. So it is terpenates, the isoprene is also known as 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene chemically. So according to the terpene rule, let us discuss uh, in the isoprene rule. So according to the terpene rule, uh, proposed by Leopold Ruzicka, terpenoids arise from head to tail joining of isoprene units. So here what happened is carbon 1 is called head and carbon 4 is the tail. For example, myrcene is a simple 10 carbon containing terpenoid formed from the head to tail union of two isoprene units as follows. This is the example myrcene. It contains 10 carbon containing terpenoids formed from formed from the head to tail union of two isoprene units. Isoprene units. This is one isoprene unit and this is second isoprene unit. So this myrcene is a simple 10 carbon terpenoid. So these are all the example for terpenoids: geraniol, limonene, eugenol, citral. So let us discuss the isolation of terpenoids. As I said that in the introduction to natural products, they are isolated from natural sources, that is isolation of essential oils from plant parts by expression method, steam distillation, solvent extraction and adsorption in purified fats. So in the next step, the separation of terpenoids from essential oils by fractional distillation, fractional crystallization, chromatographic techniques such as TLC, GLC, HPLC, and column chromatography. Therefore, they are isolated from natural sources and purified by various sources like solvent extraction, fractional distillation, fractional crystallization, sublimation, and chromatographic techniques such as TLC, GLC, HPLC, and chromatographic method, column chromatography method. Let us know the classification. So, terpenes are classified into 7 classes based on the value of N. So, terpenes are classified according to the number of terpene units involved. They are monoterpenes. It contains 10 carbon atoms. Sesquiterpene, it contains 15 carbon atoms and 3 isoprene unit. Diterpenes, it contains 20 carbon atoms and 4 isoprene unit. Triterpenes, it contains 30 carbon atoms and 6 isoprene units. Tetrapene, polymeric terpenoids. These are all the classifications of terpenoids. So example for the monoterpene is limonene, sesquiterpene. For example, for the sesquiterpene is artemisinin, diterpenes, forculin, triterpene, alpha amyrine, tetraterpene, beta carotene, polymeric terpenoid, rubber. These are all the examples for the classes of terpenoids. Terpenoids are also classified based on the number of rings present in the terpenoids. That is monoterpenoids having three types, that is acyclic terpenoids, monocyclic terpenoids, bicyclic terpenoids. So example for the acyclic monoterpenoid is citronellal. So citronellal is an example for acyclic monoterpenoids. Acyclic means open chain terpenoids, monoterpenoids. Open chain monocyclic terpenoids. Acyclic monoterpenoids. Monocyclic terpenoids, that means it has only one cyclic ring. For example, menthanol. Bicyclic monoterpenoids. Bicyclic monoterpenoids. So as name said that bicyclic, so the compound containing two cyclic rings. The size of the first ring in the terpenoid is same in all these terpenoids, but the size of the second ring is varies. So it means bicyclic means it is having two cyclic rings. At the third level, each class is subdivided on the basis of functional group present in the terpenoids. Monocyclic monoterpenoids, bicyclic monoterpenoids. These two are classified based on the basis of functional group present in the terpenoids. So example for monocyclic monoterpenoids is hydrocarbon, that is dipentene, on the basis of alcohol functional group, for example menthanol. Bicyclic monoterpenoids, alpha-phenene, camphor, these are the examples for the bicyclic monoterpenoids. This is all about the classification of terpenoids. Let us know the isoprene rule. It is very important from the examination point of view. This is very important. So all terpenoids on distillation gives isoprene as one of the product. All terpenoids on distillation gives isoprene as one of the product. So in 1887, Wallach suggested that the carbon skeleton of all naturally occurring terpenes are built up of isoprene unit, which is known as isoprene rule. So it can help to elucidate the structure of simple or complex terpenoids. So this isoprene rule states that the skeletal structures of all terpenoids are built up of isoprene units or 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. So the empirical formula of almost all terpenoids is C5H8. For example, the thermal decomposition of all the terpenoids gives isoprene as one of the product. Example, rubber on destructive distillation yields the isoprene as the product. Therefore, isoprene rule suggested that the carbon skeleton of all naturally occurring terpenes are built up of isoprene unit, which is known as isoprene rule. So let us know the isoprene, special isoprene rule. This rule proposed by Ingold in 1925. So the branched end of the isoprene unit is considered as the head and the other end as the tail. So according to this rule, the isoprene units are joined together in head to tail manner. This is known as special isoprene rule. So according to this rule, the isoprene units in the terpenoids are joined by head to tail linkage or 1,4 linkage. The branched end of the isoprene unit was considered as a head and the other end as the tail. Therefore, this branched end of the isoprene unit was considered as the head and the other end as the tail. So this is the branched end. Therefore, it is considered as a head. It is also a branched end. Therefore, it is considered as head. The remaining end is considered as the tail. So according to this rule, the isoprene units are joined together in head to tail manner. This is known as special isoprene rule. So this is all about the introduction, classification and isoprene rule of the terpenoids. Thank you one and all. Please stay safe, wear mask, use sanitizer, maintain social distance, educate others about safety measures. Thank you one and all.